Hello, welcome back to my channel, and again I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also make sure the notification is turned to all. You can also installation with parallel feeds that first floor, one on the second floor, which is the last panel, is going to be inside of the pool area. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So basically what I was doing was basically making a hole. As you can see, let me grab my connector here. As you can see, this connector here and the space that I have in there. The space that I have in here, if I make that knockout, it's going to not work, and I don't have the proper stuff to fit this cable in. So for that reason, I had to make a drill the hole. Also, you can see I have my cardboard that's protecting any type of metal from getting inside of the breakers. And also you can see I'm drilling with glasses. Very important to have glasses on when you're drilling. You don't want the metal to get inside of your eyes. So that's it basically for today. Please like, share and subscribe to my content, and thank you.